Hello all my friends, nice to see you again. My name is Chris, I'm an engineer for the 2m2tank CNC kick machine. Today we are going to learn more about this machine and talk about super key blanks. As far as I know, some locksmiths occasionally run into this problem. They forget they've already run out of key blanks. Then customers show up with special or uncommon keys and need them duplicated urgently. In this case, don't worry, 2m2tank CNC kick machine could help you solve it. These are super key blanks available in 3 sizes. Generate key type, this option. Flat key blank, laser key blank, and we can customize key blank by size. Okay, look at here. If we want a flat key, choose flat key. For example, this is TOY43. TOY43. Click. Please prepare key blank L. Use this key to generate TOY43. If I want this key, this is a special key blank for both Toyota and BYD. Here, this one laser key. Click. Search Toyota. Key blank S. Click. We have to use this key blank. There is a letter S. Click. Continue. Cutting for the first time. It needs cutter 1.5. Are you sure to change the cutter? Change cutter. Here is cutter instruction. Pay attention. Use 1.5 cutter depending on application guide. Follow all the steps of application. After installation, click OK. Click OK again. Please prepare S key blank. Same reminder. Continue. Cutting for the first time. Install the S key blank on the machine. Pay attention. Align with the fourth line. If finished, click continue. I fastened the video. Clean the particles after the first side. The other side, we have to cut. This key blank has different 2 grooves. Finish the cutting both sides. Let's compare with the original key. Next video, we use this key blank to cut a new key.